But thank you so much.
It's gonna move.
It's dead. There's this thing about Jamaica. It's like, I don't want to say it's magical. As soon as you get off the plane, you immediately start to feel like the stress, all that stress that you build up, it just slowly starts to fade away and unwind. Okay. Yes, sir. Shrimpy. Mr. Shrimpy. The best shrimp in Hellshire. All right. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Shrimpy.
Mr. Shrimpy. We're buying shrimp from Mr. Shrimpy. 500 and
700.
What does the 500 look like?
Smaller packs.
And what's 700?
Extra large packs.
Oh, okay.
Only 7. Yes.
But today may I get hook up? Or may I get the 700 for 500?
Well, in a sense, but you make a big mistake if you take it out before you say that.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
But thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay.
All
Even
right,
taste
thank
and
you.
tell me.
Yeah, man. Can I taste it right now? Hold it.
Mr.
Shrimpy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
On the beach, you know?
All right.
Mr. Shrimpy and Hellshire Beach.
Anywhere.
Give Mama taste one when she tastes it. Taste it
No,
on
the
her.
salty taste, you know, through the time it's very hot. So you have to put that extra salt.
You say yes. You say I've on the marinade.
It's salty, but it's good. But that's what it's supposed to taste like.
Yes.
It's good.
You want to taste it on? Andrew. Andrew.
Andrew, you want to try this?
A crayfish, she said?
Sure. A crayfish?
Alright, so I'll tell you.
It tastes good. But you know more than me because, you know, for me, everything tastes good right now.
Probably.
It tastes good. Alright, Mr. Shrimpy did good then. Oh, you already warned him. Okay.
This is gonna move. Even though I know
It's dead. They boiled it and that's why it's this color. This is very funny. Is it going to move? Hold the whole thing. Don't let it fall, please, because I'll eat it. No, man.
I'm not touching it.
Just take a bite.
I give you the tail part.
All right, let's try the tail. Yeah, this part is good. You could just bite the whole thing. I will, but after you eat it. No, the tail you have to bite like everything.
Yeah, I'm not.
Here, sit there.
Oh, thanks.
See?
It's not even spicy at all. It's a shell. Oh,
We're not spicy to it. We're not spicy.
We're not spicy to
Not spicy, just salty. See, it's good.
Oh, we are
that's really good.
I told you.
I'm interested in that festival, you know. We can't go swim.
Me too.
Not really bad at it, but
Want fish eat first, I'm hungry.
so what do you mean I get one?
I can't go sleep for hungry belly.
It's very salty though.
Thanks.
Hmm?
We can't have shrimp for hungry belly.
Mommy, Mommy, really? Food first?
Yes.
Come on. Come on, let's go.
So we come here, I'm just going to write us on one pan of fish. One pan of fish.
Oh, whoa. What kind of fish are these? Parrot? Parrot fish?
All kind of fish. Parrot, snapper,
Wow.
front, doctor.
Yeah, what is this place?
Really one stop.
One stop? Okay.
One stop.
So you sell
Festival banana, lobster, steam fried brown stew and the right at the spot when the best spot.
the best spot. Yeah, there you go. So one of the best fish you can get is right at this spot.
Big tree, pellet one stop. Big tree, pellet one stop.
Yeah, man.
Our main
Yeah, man.
ingredients is low.
What your prices are like?
No, you show them and then tell her the price. And you tell them how you want and prepare it for you.
Yeah.
Right.
Fried.
Right.
So for me, it's gonna be fried.
Yeah. Whenever
Yeah,
you
so
choose
you
one,
tell me how it works. Oh, I have to choose.
Yeah, whenever you choose one you want to
And then you tell me the price.
Right, right.
Choose something, Daddy.
One of the side for them. What part of the side when I want this one?
It's a shower.
Oh, alright, that's fair.
That's how expensive fish are, but that's because it's fresh.
Because it's fresh and
It's fresh.
well as you buy the fish and
Yeah,
cook it.
and they're gonna cook it
Garlic, yeah.
as you order it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it comes with festival. Okay, and then they have other stuff back here as well. Oh. Mhm.
The front part.
So how much you sell them for? Like how much? What's the cheapest one you got? What's become a pocket is very cheap right now? What, cheap? Okay, what's the most reasonable price you got? Oh, okay. Yeah, that bracelet. Which one is 500? Me not right now, not on my ankles, no. But my hand. Is it this one? Which one is for the hand? But you have to give me a second first. Let me take my. I like that. Yeah, it's not easy, but you have to give me a minute though. Yeah, man, pass back. Yeah, man. Yeah. Red snapper.
Yes.
And we have parrot.
Parrot, and this is a yellowtail snapper.
Okay.
This is a different snapper from the red snapper.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that good enough for all of us?
Put the
If you cut.
Good?
So how much money you think all of that is?
wait and no.
Wait, you know my stuff.
Oh.
This is 5.5 pounds.
So how much money is that?
That would be 10.
13,750.
Okay. 13,750. Is that
I planted, green planted.
okay? So all of that is included in that price, or is that the price?
All of that?
Yeah. No.
That attract different money.
Alright, so thing I get with this, I get a dozen festival with this.
I do the festival.
6 pound of fish.
This you get a dozen festival.
pound of
This
fish.
is not 6 pounds of fish.
About 7 pounds. That means
Alright, I'm going dozen and a half festival.
alright. No, you just attack.
Dozen and a half
Just
festival.
attack along.
Alright. Anything else?
Anything else? We
Alright.
have bami.
Alright, that's 500 for the bottom.
Okay.
Planting.
And 400 for the
Okay. Okay. All right. And that's it.
fry everything, right?
And everything. Mommy,
Alright.
you okay with fried fish? Okay. Yes.
So I'm going
And how long does it normally take to prepare?
30, 45 minutes, cause
Ah.
yeah, but we have a big pot still, so probably cut it.
How much
later.
is that?
Is there any way I can come back there and get little of the action?
I'm say if I
Okay.
These are the fish.
Okay.
These after we cook them up, we season them,
Yeah.
and this is the fire that we use.
Okay.
Wood fire.
Yes.
This is the big pot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What's that? The bami?
Roasting corn.
What you roasting?
Corn.
Ooh, somebody ordered that.
Yes.
Skunk. Skunk? What? How do you sell that?
That's 4,000 a serving for the corn.
Whoa, that's expensive stuff.
Yes.
Is it because it's rare? It's hard
Yes.
to
Yes.
catch or something?
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's rare.
Wow.
Like the fish where you get fish at 2.5 per pound.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and the lobster 2.5 per pound, and the king crab you get for 2,000 per pound. The pound is a little more expensive.
Yes. Thank you for accommodating me.
You see, fresh oil. You never use butter.
Never use real. You never reuse your
Never
oil.
reuse.
It's always fresh. I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am. Alright.
What's the name of this place?
Shorty. Shorties. Shorties. Not Sharkies. Shorties. Shorty.
Oh, Shorties.
Shorties.
Shorties in Hellshire.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. This is the real deal. Wood. The wood fire.
And we use the same oil.
Uh-huh.
Fuel the fire.
Ooh.
Yeah, man. Same cooking oil.
Yeah, so use one, use it to fuel it.
Come on.
I like that. Alright, I'm gonna just step out. Yeah, but you know, season it yet and all, right? So,
Come on,
we season already?
Season. So when,
What?
come on, it's season, man. So,
They say fish not take much seasoning anyhow.
season
So,
already, man. So it's soon.
oh, okay.
Nowhere does the fish like Hellshire.
Ah, I've always heard that. No fish like Hellshire. So you think that's because of how you prepare it?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's how you prepare it? What makes it different?
And you have to have the touch.
The touch. Not everybody has it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because most of shop owners, generation
Okay.
and third generation.
Okay, so by now it's you guys have perfected the skill. That's kind of cool. Mm. Wow. This is really nice. Oh man, the scallion just went in. Yeah. So how do you tolerate the heat all day? Oh dear.
Yeah.
It gets hot in here. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna say that those are the real pepper. The ones that we have in the US doesn't have any flavor or heat. Just a touch. Just a touch of the pepper. Just a touch of the heat. Just a touch. Wow. What's the garlic? And it goes in. Yeah. So you're just flavoring the oil right now.
Garlic, pepper, celery.
Yeah.
Just put thyme in it too.
Uh-huh. You know, this means a lot to me because when I cook back home, I try to do it from memory. So to be able to come and see how you do it, you know, I'm going to go try it. It's so good.
That's the steam.
Yeah. So he's making the oil a lot hotter right now. Yeah. I noticed you don't put flour. You don't put flour.
No, don't put
No.
any flour on it.
Okay.
Proper fry.
Ah.
The flour coated kind of burn the oil and fish them are not that soft or thick for flour to go on.
Okay. You're teaching me something. Wow.
Properly cut.
Okay. So that's already pre-mixed?
Yeah, this is just the roll.
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh.
I get up on the road. You video it? Look on the channel.
Nigga hurt, bro.
Hanging out here in Hellshire with my family is really a lot of fun. That's the way to go with family. Alright. You enjoying yourself, Andrew?
Enough now, man. I eat in time.
About this.
No, no, take a bit. Gonna start serving.
Amen. Amen. Okay. The gimbal.
That sister, so it makes sense. Okay, here, Raquel. Raquel, here. At least you have one thing to cover.
Yeah, I love pickle. Oh my god. And me also love pepper.
Me.
No, no, play of course. If I let me eat up. Kirk, forget so.
No, I'm not going to do more.
Hot now. Yeah, I'm going to take it. Me alright. I'm going to go back to the right there. But now I'm going to go.
This was my favorite. Juice as a child. Yes, hey! A bracelet is for 200.
Yes. I'm going to show you. And I didn't went charge it to look. I look back and those good times we won't share. It must have been like the thing. I found someone new, one who loves me, maybe better than you.
Were you here earlier today?
No, I'm on the night shift. You know, that's why I come around on this side and I drift. If there was a mountain, I'd jump off the cliff. Them are local stuff. Here, Bob Marley, Jamaica. You know the boss? You know the boss. Bad, don't it?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a Jamaican map. The one area with they get the national emblems them.
Right.
I'm gonna show you it. No charge to look. Here?
Yeah, no charge at
Yeah.
all.
Happy Ma'o. Bingham Viking. I tell you, I got the right thing.
Yes, you do. I like it.
I know I'm not even going to charge for the advertising.
Alright, what the bracelet there for $200?
Oh, it's here. I'm coming to you, my dear. I look back and
Ooh.
those good times.
That did not go fit for my wrist.
Your wrist?
Look here. I have meat.
Oh, probably then that is why you're so sweet.
There's something else.
I got bracelet plenty.
Okay, let it
bag,
fit.
Not even my bag could ever be empty.
Yeah.
That's one moment I don't want cross thread and then it drop off easily. So I'm gonna catch it. If I catch it good, just like it should.
Amen.
Welcome
No more
to my
too
neighborhood.
sweet. That is why we end up by it. Well, I hope you sell a lot more today.
Thank you very much. You know I was in jail and you gave me a bail. I never did want to carry the bucket nor the pail. I tell you, things get real.
Thank you. I like that. I like those.
They keep
How much you sell those for?
These are for 80.
The bigger
The
ones.
bigger ones are for 5. You know I could do it more alive.
500.
5,000.
Oh, I see. I'm sorry. 500. That's like giving it away.
Yeah, I could knock off a grand and that one could stand.
I like it. Okay, that's it. Me just like it. I already have those.
You see, you said I like it. If I was younger, I'd say just bite it.
Too much. All right, thank you, though. Bracelet is good enough. Don't forget those.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
Oh my god, the water's cold. Oh my god, why don't they turn back?
It was worth it.